played with you Russian dance, remember? We played like that, right? Because it was fast, it was loud, it was accented. Here, it's opposite. We go into the keys. Down. Okay? Can you try this? Yes, exactly. You're almost there. You just need to try to focus more on the left hand because you forget these notes. What you need now to remember, as you learned it already, the notes, you need to try to remember the patterns, like this and this is exactly the same pattern. A, E, wait, sorry, E, E, A, A, E, A. So basically all the notes are A's. A, and only one E. Let's try this left hand. A, rest. A. Good job. Now let's try this line hands together. Let's take a breath a little bit. Good. Now we have different pattern. Next two measures are B flat major, D, and then E, A, and here we have all E's, E, A, right? Let's try hands together. D, and D, and E, A. Excellent. Have you tried this pedal? Yes? Let me get the pedal for you. And let's try now with pedal. Breath. You did a great job, but your left hand was a little too loud. Let's bring out the right hand, project a little bit more, especially these high notes, top notes. A little bit later, pedal. Butterfly wing. Let me show you like that. Okay, but take it out. In, out, out, in, out. In, out, out, in. Bring out the top note. Don't and then no pedal here, right? Left hand still soft, and you can do faster. Can you try a little bit faster?